Good morning, everyone. So today I'll be meeting with a friend, which is also a fellow rider. We are going to be doing a quick photo shoot, and thankfully the weather is really nice. Yesterday it was drizzling, so I was kind of worrying about the weather. Cape de Cape de Aguilar, and I'm also going to be late because it's already 10:30. I'm also thinking of buying a new bike, actually a new scooter, for work. I'm also thinking of getting the Diva, an Italian bike. It has really big compartments that's like perfect for my camera gear and all the stuff that I'm bringing to shoots. So hopefully I can get one soon. Okay, all good. Everybody get in line. I'm super early. Alright, our guy is here. There he is. What's up, bro?
Hey, bro. Going. Oh, I stopped like 3 times.
Why?
Because I didn't know where the spot was.
Ah. Have you been to the end here?
I have, I remember.
How is it there? Is it good?
It's like a dead end.
Not good.
It's okay.
It's alright.
I don't.
You turn from here.
Take your time.
Okay, that's really weird. it's so different from where's the stand? Okay, it's so different from what I'm riding now, because it's been a while since I've ridden
Manual bike.
a manual.
Yeah,
It's been a,
the handlebars are super wide.
yeah, it's
for
quite
sure.
wide. Yeah,
Even when I go through traffic, it's really annoying. A little bit annoying because they're so wide.
right.
And even though the bike is thin,
Yeah, that's why I was like,
this can touch someone's car. You know? So I was like, when you're lane splitting, it's
you
like
have
a little
to
bit.
be careful. Yeah, nice. It's it rides really well. It's super responsive,
Yeah.
and the brakes too is like,
Yeah.
it's
Brakes
good.
are really
It's
responsive.
really good.
So they're Brembo brakes.
Yeah, it's really good. Okay, everybody, I just finished my shoot, and it has been very successful, so I'm really happy with that. Now I'll be heading home because I have to work.